Welcome back, everyone. Now, continuing the series JEVEN 2022. Important sums of topic trigonometry, which involves trigonometric equations, solutions, height distance problems, and after that, I will make videos on inverse trigonometry function. Important sums for JEVEN 2022. Now, minimum value of 27 tan square theta plus 3 cot square theta. Now you can solve this sum using application of derivative, using double derivative test. But then the solution becomes lengthy. So you are my student now. My students are extraordinary. How to get answers quick, accurate. Now, so look, minimum value of this. So here we have to use a simple property of sequence and series. Arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean. Now arithmetic mean of two terms, a plus b by 2, while geometric mean of two terms, say a and b, is root ab. So we use that property, means 27 tan square theta plus 3 cot square theta upon 2 greater than or equal to root of 27 tan square theta into 3 cot square theta. Considering 27 tan square theta as a, 3 cot square theta as b. So you know arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2 greater than root of ab. So that is the logic now. So 27 tan square theta plus 3 cot square theta upon 2. Now tan square and cot square being reciprocal, cut 27 3 81 का root 9. Therefore 27 tan square theta plus 3 cot square theta greater than or equal to 18. So the value is always greater than or equal to 18. So obviously the least value or the minimum value is 18. So B option is the right option. Looks so simple. Only you have to use the skill properly. Be extraordinary with Edisar. Subscribe, share to maximum students. Because soon I will make videos on JEE Advanced topic also. But for that, first you should score more than 90 percentile. That is the cutoff for last years. So at least 90 percentile is must to get qualified for JEE Advanced. Now next, a equal to sin square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta for all values of theta. Then which option regarding A is correct? A, B, C, D. All options are in front of you. Now, writing cos raised to 4 theta is cos square the whole square. So cos square I can write as 1 minus sin square theta the whole square. So opening the bracket, what happened now? Your expression become like this. So look, when you open the bracket, what happened? 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus sin raised to 4 theta. Sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta will give you minus sin square theta. And then you can take sin square theta common. So bracket में आ जाएगा 1 minus cos square, 1 minus sin square theta. That makes cos square theta. So it is 1 minus square of something. 1 minus square of something is obviously this value. 1 minus square of something. So the value is obviously less than or equal to 1. So now that hints at either B or C option. There are two options. JEE main, the options are always such that very close. You cannot predict, you cannot guess. तो जो लोग बोलते हैं ना तुक्का कैसे लगा जाए, वो चक्कर में पड़ना ही नहीं है. आप अपने स्किल से 90% एंड अबव आराम से निकाल सकते हो. वो तुक्के के चक्कर में पड़ना ही नहीं है. नहीं तो वो भी सीखना है तो आ जाओ, वो भी बता दूंगा मैं तुक्का कैसे लगाए. नो, with the help of my amazing tricks, you will always be able to score 90 percentile or 95 percentile above in mathematics. Only be regular, watch, share, and let my videos reach to maximum student. Now, so you got either B or C. Also, now I will multiply and divide by 4, and I think you understood why. So 4 sin square theta cos square theta will become 2 sin theta cos theta the whole square. So that makes 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2 theta. Now you know sin 2 theta maximum value is 1. So minus sin square theta 2 theta minimum value will be minus 1. And therefore this expression is always greater than 1 minus 1 by 4. That is 3 by 4. Now hence B option is the right option. So value of A lies between 3 by 4 and 1. Very important sum. One sum will give you 4 marks. So easily. Okay. Now more sums. You can ask your doubts in comments. I will give the solutions. I will explain the solution in the next videos. First, those who are joining late, watch all videos of Trigo from beginning. मैंने बेसिक से बताया पूरा, फॉर्मूला से, स्टार्ट से, बेसिक्स. वो क्लियर होगा, you will become extraordinary. Okay, next now. मुझे कोई शाइनिंग नहीं करना है कि स्मार्ट बोर्ड और वो जो कंटेंट है वो अच्छे से समझना है आपको. नाउ नेक्स्ट सम, द वैल्यू ऑफ cos, the value of cos 2 pi by 7 plus cos, series of cos or sin, cos 4 pi by 7 cos 6 pi by 7 plus cos 7 pi upon 7. And your options are 1, minus 1, 1 by 2, and minus 3 by 2. Solution. Whenever you see a series of cos or sin, you have this type of sums in your textbook. Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, cos 8 theta, double like this. So what you do? Always multiply by sin theta, 2 sin theta always. So multiply 1 by 2 sin pi by 7. This is the main step. So all the terms get multiplied by 2 sin pi by 7. 2 sin pi by 7. देखो ये ट्रिक रहता है बेटा स्टूडेंट्स. व्हेन यू सी cos थीटा, cos 2 थीटा, cos 4 थीटा, हमेशा sin थीटा से मल्टीप्लाई करने का लॉजिक है. 2 sin थीटा से 2 sin pi by 7 cos 4 pi by 7, 2 sin pi by 7 cos 6 pi by 7. And last term you are smart, 7 pi by 7 cos pi, that is minus 1. Now you will understand the logic of doing this step. 2 sin theta cos theta. But the thetas are not same, so here we can apply 2 sin A cos B. So look, I have made the videos, factorization and defactorization formula, complete formulas in rhyming. Everybody will remember the formula. 2 sin cos sin cos sin 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 A cos B, cos A sin B, cos sin sin, cos sin sin. तो पहला आता है 2 sin A cos B. sin A cos B का फॉर्मूला होता है sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. तो sin A plus B क्या हुआ बेटा 3 पाई बाय 7. स्टूडेंट्स sin A minus B like this. वापिस 2 sin A cos B, sin A plus B sin A minus B. देखो जब A minus B आप करोगे तो माइनस 3 पाई बाय 7 मिलता है, बट sin माइनस थीटा इज माइनस बाहर sin थीटा. Similarly your last term will give you sin 7 pi by 7 minus A minus B 5 pi by 7 minus 1. So that is 1 by 2 sin pi by 7. Now the logic, now you understood what happened now. Cut, 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 cut. So we are left with this terms only. Now this term is sin 7 pi by 7, that is sin pi. The value of sin pi is 0. ये 0 हो गया, so you are left with minus sin pi by 7 minus 1. Cut, cut. So now minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So minus 3 by 2. Now you got D option is the correct option. Look, the main step is to multiply by sin theta. So that is the logic. Now, look, you can ask your doubts. In comments you can give your doubts, no problem. Soon I will give my WhatsApp number also. My links of Facebook, Instagram is given. On Messenger you can clearly ask me the doubts. Everyone, whatever doubts you have, absolutely free, forever, for all students. Whatever doubts you have regarding your maths or even your career planning or study planning, you are most welcome. Keep watching and subscribe my videos. I have only one goal. My videos should reach to the maximum student. So I can help you for free. For JEE Main, for JEE Advanced, for boards, everywhere. I don't like teachers making fool of students, doing number of bakchodis and number of things. No. Pure teaching, maximum student will go to good engineering colleges for sure. Now, more sums. Look, these are level 1 sums. So even MST CT student get benefited from all this. Next. This type of equation, ये बार बार आता है. ये JEE Main में पूछा था. This equation has C greater than root of A square plus B square. Your options are unique solution, infinite many solution, no solution, like this. So look, method of solving this type of sum always come in boards, CT और JEE Main. तो इसका एक ही मतलब है, अगर C greater than root A square plus B square है then no solution, और C less than or equal to root A square plus B square है then infinite many solution. So only two things are possible. Why? Let me explain you. In this type of sum, what we do? This is the method. You have to divide throughout by root A square plus B square. Now, calling this as cos of something, say cos alpha. And calling this as sine of something, say sine alpha. So now you have your favorite formula. Sin A cos B, cos A sin B. So sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha equal to C upon root of A square plus B square. Sin A cos B, cos A sin B. So it is sin x plus alpha. Now since left hand side is sine of something, so this equation will have a solution if and only if C upon root A square plus B square less than 1. So therefore this equation will have a solution if and only if C less than or equal to root A square plus B square. So if C greater than root A square B square means no solution. The correct option will be no solution. Okay, I will keep on taking 5, 6, 10 MCQs as per my free time, but that will be very helpful for all of you. Okay, soon my number of videos will come. I want only subscribers so that the videos come in recommendation videos and reach to maximum needy student. Till then, bye everyone.